A budget ergonomic mouse. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Anker Ergonomic Mouse. This is the wired version and it also comes in a wireless. This mouse can help those that have wrist strains and pains. You can pick this up online for $15 and the wireless version for $20. I have the link in the description below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The mouse comes in this simple packaging along with the user guide. You can see the image of a traditional mouse versus a vertical mouse and how it can help with alignment. This vertical mouse has a scroll wheel, right and left buttons, next and last page buttons, and a DPI switch. It also has a nice red LED light on the side. The optical resolution is 1000 and 1600 DPI. I will demonstrate that shortly. This works with PC and Mac and connects to your standard USB interface. The mouse is just slightly bigger than your standard mouse. On the left side is a nice LED light. It has a nice matte finish on the side for good grip. You can see the next and last page button, which is only compatible for PC, not Mac. The top has the DPI button and you can toggle from 1000 and 1600 DPI for sensitivity. On the other side, you have your standard right and left buttons along with the scroll wheel. The bottom has the 4 pads on the corners so it can glide easily. It does feel natural in the hands. The alignment works well and there may be just a slight learning curve when you begin to use it. The buttons are responsive and the scroll wheel rotates with no issues. You can see comparing with a traditional mouse and the alignment of your hand and arm versus the vertical ergonomic mouse. As mentioned earlier, the top has a DPI button and you can switch from 1000 to 1600. Right now it's on 1000. You can see the mouse cursor moving on the left side. Pressing the button will switch it to 1600, and now you can see the cursor. It's much more sensitive. The Anker Ergonomic Mouse. This is a good budget mouse for those that are looking to reduce strain on their wrists. It works well and comes with a few features. The price of $15 is very reasonable compared to some higher end mouses. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.